Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from EasyPaisa to 1xBet. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your 1xBet account, and now that you're here, you will just have to click make a deposit, and you will just have to scroll down until you see the EasyPaisa option here. So it should be somewhere right here if it is available on in your country or in your or whatever version that you may be using. So once you see that, basically you will just have to click it, and then you will enter the amount that you want to deposit, and then of course you will copy the payment information provided by 1xBet, and then you will open your Easy Paisa app or website. It really depends on you. But once you open it, you will just have to choose send money, and then you will enter the 1xBet details, the one that we've copied earlier, and then you will confirm the transaction in EasyPaya, and you will just have to wait for the deposit to reflect in your 1xBet account. And yeah, that's basically just it. And again, you do have to make sure first that your 1xBet account details are correct, and then you could also keep a screenshot or transaction ID for future reference. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.